Very much so there.
Whoa, look at that.
Good morning.
Look at that happy morning V.
I feel puffy.
Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to the adventure. This morning I am doing a morning routine video of a bike trip. So, let's just get into it. So we're at a park in Clyde, Ohio. We slept under here because it was raining last night. All I've done so far is wake up and get dressed into my bike clothes. I have my biker shorts on and my bike shirt. And yeah, so right now I'm gonna make breakfast. Oh, I also put my sleeping bag up. But I'm gonna make some oatmeal. So we have our isobutane propane, our whisper light that you just twist on the top. Just put tin foil around this. Water's boiling, we're gonna make some oatmeal. We have some here, but we're gonna use the big, where is it? I don't know, it's somewhere in Ellen's stuff. Look at that happy morning V.
I feel puffy.
It's a little sticky out here. Wait, do you have pants on? Nope.
Important part of the morning routine. You dump out your tent, because then you get rid of all the sand and the dead bugs that are in it. I don't know if everybody does this. I do it every morning.
Not before you get naked in it.
You don't. I don't really dump out the bugs, so I'm making friends. Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning. Your coffee spot.
I have guests.
Well, it looks like you guys have a coffee anyway at a different spot.
Okay, honestly, I don't know where the oatmeal is. Hey. I don't want to ask. She'll get cranky at me. Well, I guess I'll just wait for it to boil. Oh, it's boiling. Okay. Yeah, maybe like another handful. Maybe like another handful.
I'm using this. Yeah, it's right there. Oh, we can.
I just thought I'd put a little flavor in it. I think we could use both. We ran out of oatmeal, so I had to use some Claire's. What are you saying? Okay, and then we're adding a little bit of flavor oatmeal to it because it'll taste better. Wow. This smells so much better after that addition.
Strawberry?
Uh-huh. Oh.
Very much so there.
Whoa, look at that. Good morning. Also, look at our bananas. That is so incredibly sad. It was caught in my bungee yesterday off my bike. I'm gonna take down the tent. Oh, perfect. We switched. Yesterday you made food. Okay, so now we remove all of our stuff from the tent. I have some clothes in here that make a pillow, a headlamp for last night, a phone that needs to be charged. But we're actually at a park with electricity, so it works out. Now to pack up our stuff. Goes out so that you can put the sleeping bag in the bottom. Yes, I'll have a wrap as well. Okay. And then shove all the stuff that crayons in the sides down there. These are some rain pants. Yesterday I absolutely pulled, but I did not wear them because it was hot. Right. Clothes and sleeping bag are packed. This. I don't know why it would, but you know what I mean? I'm done with the 10. Yeah. Okay. Time. Okay, so first thing you do, they usually have this for lunch, but I'm a little extra hungry this morning. Alright, next thing on the agenda is go up to the bathrooms and brush my teeth and fill my water bottle. Now we're just gonna put all of this stuff in these, in the trash bag. Be good to go.
Yeah, we got a metal hooks and then a bunch of them bottom. I used to take long rides here.
Alrighty. Put my sunglasses on. Oops. My phone is charged more. 60%. Alright, thank you so much for watching. We are off on the day to go biking. We are headed to Independence, Ohio. It is 8 a.m. and we have a full day. We have 80 miles. We're excited.